Wagwan, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to fry chicken without flour or eggs. So I am using leg waters that already wash with vinegar, rinse with water, drain and pat dry. Pat dry is very important to get rid of the excess water. You don't want water to settle in the bottom of the container, and you don't want water onto the chicken. So now I'm using a knife to pierce some small holes into the chicken, not a lot, to allow the spices to penetrate into the flesh of the chicken more easily. And in Jamaica we say juke up the chicken. So now I am adding just a small amount of salt, and I am adding the salt individually. So now I'm going to season the leg quarters with spices such as black pepper, chicken seasoning, all-purpose, onion powder, paprika, that's the smoked paprika. I also use garlic powder, complete seasoning. Yeah, but you don't have to use the seasoning that I use, and you don't have to use the amount that I use. And I like to season the leg quarters individually. I cover the chicken and allow it to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. I put a pot on medium-low heat, and then I am adding 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I do believe vegetable oil is the best oil to use whenever you're frying or searing. So I am frying one leg quarter at a time because the pot is small and I don't want to overcrowd it. So yeah, I fry one side for like 4 minutes, then I turn it, and then I fry the other side for like 4 minutes, and then turn it again and give it like 2 minutes. The thing is, I am frying it until blood stop running. You need the blood to stop running, and the juice from the chicken runs clear, and that's when you know that it is okay to eat. The chicken is ready to be eaten. Now you can enjoy it all by itself just as it is, or if you rather to brush any type of sauce, for example chili sauce, on it, and enjoy it with vegetables or bread.